Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes, and thank you for revisiting again our Let's Learn English series. Your instructor name is Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay. Today we will make small letter words continuation of the previous class. So, in the previous class, I had told you about I, right? And I had also told you that I will tell in the next class the meanings of island. Yes? So, today we will learn this. See, image. I-M-A-G-E, image. Okay? Then ice box. Ice box. All of you know, right? Yes. So, when you see this picture, don't you remember the what I had told you, the explanation in the last class? Yes, very good. Then iPod. Yes. Then we have an iPad. Can you see the iPad? Yes, very good. iPad. So those of you who have not seen can see this is called a iPad. Then island. I told you I will tell what is a island. Okay. See, now all of you see in your India map. Okay. India is surrounded by sea on all the three sides. Right. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. Yes. Now in the Arabian Sea we have got Lakshadweep. Okay. Lakshadweep is a small couple of island, small islands, and it is really beautiful to see. Okay. And then in the Indian Ocean there are few, but in Bay of Bengal we have Andaman and Nicobar Island. Yes, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. And Port Blair is also there. So all of you should visit the map, India map, and then you should see it properly. And then you will come to know what are islands. Okay. Now, island means everywhere the water will be there on all the four sides. And in the middle, see, can you see in the picture? Yes. In the middle, there will be sand and land. Okay. And some of the people like very hi-fi families or actors, they have bought this island. Okay. And then small houses are also built on the island. So it is their holiday time. Okay. So holidays, they go and visit in the island. Yes. So now suppose if you get chance to go or buy a island in future, okay, don't waste your time in simply partying and all that. Okay. You should always remember the God. Okay, you should always remember God over here. Keep your mind calm and quiet. This time and this place will not be, again you will not get in life. Yes, only in a few days in the holidays. So just keep calm and quiet and listen to the sound of the sea. Okay, the waves, when they come in the sea, they make some sound. Okay, so that sound, if possible, you can hear. We can all hear, and then we can hear only the sound of God when there is silence. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to just keep quiet, because in the island there is no traffic. Okay. So only you or your family and the trees. Okay. And the water around will be there. So it will be nice to concentrate on God. Okay. Yes. And when you come back on the island, there are some coach, that shells, big shells you can get, and you can get it home. And then when you want to recollect, you can listen to it. That shell, you can keep it to your ear and you can see the sound of the waves coming, So it will remind you give you good memory of the place. Yes, all of you understood now what is island? Yes, very good. Yes. Then iron. All of you have seen what is iron, right? Yes. So you want to see again the island? Yes, island. And here India map is there, and then India map is surrounded by sea on all the three sides. So there is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So in Indian Arabian Sea, you will find Lakshadweep and other group of islands. And then here in the Bay of Bengal, you will see this Port Blair and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. So there are many small islands. Okay. You can see it properly. Yes. So shall we go further to our today's lesson? Okay, so in the last class, in the last lesson, you have seen the sounds of island, I, letter I, and what is island, and then the different islands, okay, and the importance of island also, don't forget, okay. Now we will see the sound of the consonant letter J, okay, yes. So J has only one sound, okay, and it is called J. Correct. Okay. So let us see jug, jug, jam, jar, jelly, jump, juice and just. Okay. So we will say, see, jug. Okay. Jug, jar, jelly. You can see this jelly. Jug and jar we have seen in the previous slides. So now you can see jelly. Then jam also we have seen in the previous slides. Okay. Then jump. Okay. Jump. And then see here jug is there. Okay. Then here jam is also there. Very good. Mouth watering, right? Yes. So tell your mama not to prepare idli or anything today. And just prepare jam, butter and then yummy breakfast. Okay? Yes, very good. So now let us do some words. Okay? So we'll go back to the slide and we'll see jug, jar, jelly, jam, jump, juice and just. Okay? Now we will see the spellings because spellings are very important. Okay? Just as sounds are very important, spellings are also very important. Okay. So, jug, J-U-G, jug, J-U-G, jug, J-A-R, jar, J-A-R, jar, jelly, J-E-L-L-Y, jelly, J-E-L-L-Y, jelly, J-A-M, jam, J-A-M, jam, J-U-M-P, jump, J-U-M-P, jump, J-U-I-C-E, juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice, just, J-U-S-T, just, J-U-S-T, just, yes. Now let's make some small words with the letter J, correct. Jar, J-A-R, jar, J-A-R, jar. So let us see the sounds. J, A, R, jar, J, A, R, jar. Now we have seen A letter has got 4 sounds, right? So one of the sound is A, okay? So J, A, R, jar. Then jug, J-U-G, jug, J, U and G, okay, jug. So G is having 2 sounds, right? G and J. So what is the word for G? Gum or gun, okay, and J is giraffe or yes, ginger, correct, okay. So, J, U and G, jug, okay. Yes, then jam, J, A, M, jam, J, A, M, jam, okay. Then jet. See, all of you have seen the jet, it goes very fast, no, zoom it goes. Yes, J-E-T, jet, J-E-T, E T, jet. J E T, jet. J E T, jet. Okay. Then jog. J O G, jog. So J O J or G. Okay. Jog. J O G, jog. See, morning, when you see some people, they are jogging, right? So they'll be running, but not running. It is slow running. Very slow running is called jog, jogging. Okay. So jog will become jogging. Okay, when you are present tense, that we will learn afterwards. So J-O-G, jog. Very good. Now job, J-O-B, job. J plus O and B, job. J-O-B, job. Very good. Then jaw, J-A-W, jaw. So J-A-W, jaw. J-A-W, jaw. Okay, but you should not say v, jaw. It is jaw. J-A and W is very silent, so jaw. Now see the picture. In this picture you can see jaw, right? Okay, so all of you have seen your face. The beauty of the face of all of us are beautiful, right? So God has created us, so each one will have their own beauty. Nobody is ugly, okay? So the face will have the shape because of our jaw, the upper jaw and the lower jaw, okay? And the teeth are in such a way fixed by God so that, it gives the shape. So now when we become old and we don't take care of our teeth in the younger days, then we'll have to remove the teeth, okay? So when the teeth becomes, they come out, so the jaw, it will fix to each other and it will become a cavity here. So you can see the old people, very old, they'll have like this, there will be a lot of hole in this here. So jaw. So jaw is very important. So we have to take care of our teeth. So brush your teeth every day, morning and in the night before going to sleep. Okay. And always use, sometimes once in 15 days, you can use, this crystal salt, big salt. You can brush your teeth with that. And also neem leaves, you can just, paste it and then, apply to your teeth and gums. So it will take care of your gums. This you should do from younger days only. Okay. So when you become old and you say that you want to take care of your teeth, it won't happen. Because once the teeth here will get decayed, usually this back teeth, they are very prone to germs. Because when we bite, okay, all the food particles will remain there and the germs will come. So, it will spoil your face in the older days. So, you want to look young always, right? Yes. So, take care of your teeth and your jaws. Okay? Yes. Jaw. Jaw. Okay. Jump. Yes. All of you like to do jumping, right? J-U-M-P, jump. Okay? J-U-M-P. J-U-M-P, jump. Okay. Now see, this boy is doing jumping. So when you do jumping, when you do skipping, what do? You jump first and then the thread goes out and round, right? So it is jumping. He's first jumping and then skipping. Okay. Yes, here we learn two words. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump, and skip, S-K-I-P, skip. Yes. So, jump and skip. So, J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P. J-U-M-P, jump. Okay. Then just, J-U-S-T, just. So if you want to stress something, I just want a pen, and that too black color pen. I don't want red color pen or blue color pen. Okay, I just want a black pen. Okay, so when you say that, okay, then you want just one pen. Okay, so J-U-S-T, just. So when you say something you want only one, then you can have the choice. So you can say just. I just want. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T. J-U-S-T, just. Okay. Then jade. See, jade. Now you can see, those of you who have not seen jade stone, it is among the precious stones only. So jade is very, very precious. Okay. So in China, I think there are mountains of jade. So China is very rich, right? So we make ornaments of jade stones. Okay. And then we have small laughing Buddha images also, idols of jade stones. Okay, it is very lucky stone, it seems. So jade, J-A-D-E, jade, J-A-D-E, jade, J-A-D-E, jade. Okay. Then junk, J-U-N-K, junk. Now what do you mean by junk? J-U-N-K, J-U-N-K, junk. Okay. So, see, this is called junk food, like pastries, then you know this pizza, and then so many other things, you know, wafers, chips and all that. These are called junk food. You should not eat junk food. It will spoil your stomach, and at the same time it will add calories to your weight. Okay, you'll start becoming fat day by day. Okay, so junk food should be avoided. And then see, this is also called junk. Junk means whatever is waste is called junk. Okay, so two meanings, junk food and junk waste. Okay, J-U-N-K, junk. See, it is so well depicted in the picture, right? Junk food and junk waste. Okay, J-U-N-K, junk. Okay, then we have Jupiter. Jupiter, yes, planet, correct. We had seen long time back, yeah, in our previous lessons. Yes, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for visiting our website, the Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Thank you very much.